Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a recipe of a well-known roadside snack to share with you, that is Golgappe, also famous as Pani Puri. It is highly popular among Asians. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and also watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of Golgappe. Firstly, for Golgappe dough, I have semolina 1½ cup, wheat flour 3/4 cup, all-purpose flour 3/4 cup, salt ½ teaspoon, and lukewarm water ½ cup. If I'm gonna feel the need of more lukewarm water, then I will add accordingly. Now in a bowl, add 1½ cup of semolina, 3/4 cup of wheat flour, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix them really well. Now add water and make really hard dough. For Golgappe, soft dough won't do. Use water as required, but keep it hard. If I'm gonna feel the need of more lukewarm water, then I will add accordingly. And then last, I am applying lukewarm water all over the dough. Now cover it and keep it at warm place for 3 hours. Now for tamarind sweet chutney, first soak 500 grams of tamarind in 1 liter of water for at least 2 hours. Then remove its seed and mix water and tamarind together. You will have this thick paste of tamarind, roasted and grinded cumin seed 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 cup, water quarter cup, black salt quarter teaspoon. So for chutney, I'm gonna take only 1 cup of tamarind paste for tamarind chutney, and rest will be used in spice water for golgappe. Now in a pan, add this tamarind paste and add quarter cup of water. Mix it. Then add sugar. Mix it. And 1 teaspoon of roasted and grinded cumin seed and black salt quarter teaspoon, and mix it and cook it. Now it is boiling, so I'm gonna lower the flame and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is ready. And take it out in a bowl and let it cool. For spice water, the rest of tamarind paste, water 1 liter, black salt 2.5 teaspoon, chaat masala 2 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, roasted and grinded cumin seeds 2 tablespoon, dried ginger powder 1.5 teaspoon. Now in a pan, add all tamarind paste, then 1 liter of water. Mix it. And add all spices into it. And salt. Mix it and let it boil. Now it is boiling, and turn off flame and let it cool. Then I will take it out in a bowl. After 3 hours, I will need oil for deep frying, so I am turning on flame and let it become really hot, and dough is ready for further process. Dust some flour here. Roll it out until it becomes really thin. Make it as thin as paper. Now cut into round with the help of cookie cutter. I'm gonna make in different sizes. First, I'm gonna check the temperature of oil by putting one round into oil. And I think I should add more. Four to five at a time. Poke it so they won't become soggy. And fry rest of rounds in this way. Now I am dishing out into a bowl because it is cool now. So here I prepared main ingredients of Golgappe: spice water, tamarind sweet chutney, chickpeas and whisk yogurt, and in last these Golgappe. Now I am gonna show you how to serve it. Take a small bowl, fill it with spice water and put this bowl into a platter. In another bowl, fill tamarind sweet chutney, and in this bowl I am filling chickpeas, and in this I'm filling yogurt and assemble all the bowls in platter. Now I am arranging Golgappe in this platter. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe. Leave comment below. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe ASMAS Kitchen for more delicious, quick and easy recipes. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.